Jeremiah V. Let's enhance the world. Say no more. Say what? Say no more. Alright, so if you judging by the title, you guys already have an idea on what it is that I'm going to be doing today in today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a challenge, if you will, and document my process where I'm going to be meditating for a week and basically posting my results, whether they're good or bad. I always hear about the importance of meditating, clearing your mind, being more in touch with yourself, and I'm all about becoming a better version of myself and doing anything and everything in my power to do that. And I feel like this could potentially help me based on other people's experiences and people recommendations. So I am going to be recording and documenting my progress for a whole week, for 7 days straight. I might go for 10, but as of right now, we're going to go for 7 days straight. Today is Memorial Day, which is a Monday. So we're going to do it from Monday, and we're going to stop at Sunday. Okay? So we're going to be recording these and uploading them as we go, and we're going to see what the results are. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play every day. I'm just going to play videos, or play a video I got off YouTube, meditation music, for 10 minutes. I'm going to be meditating for 10 minutes each day, and I'm going to basically record the process. So if you guys are into meditation or you're open to doing that, I'm just going to have the camera recording, and you guys can meditate with me as well. Alright, so if you've never done this before, maybe this can be for you. Alright, just clear your mind. From my understanding, the goal is to relax, let your thoughts do what they do, and start shifting your mind towards other things as you start to think about it. From my understanding, I'm just going to get into it. I'm not going to overthink it because a lot of people do that as well. So I'm just going to get into it, okay? No fedora hat, by the way. I am bald. So let's do it. Hopefully you guys can hear this music. If not, you can look up your own music and mute this, and then just check back in 10 minutes from now. Still recording? Okay. Okay, that was amazing, man. That was very relaxing. What I was doing was I was just letting my mind wander. My mind was wandering like crazy. I was thinking about the video. If my camera was on, I started to open my eyes to check on it, but I said no, I'm not gonna check on it. Then I was wondering if I should have said something before the video to make it more of an interaction-based video, or I was thinking about what I should have said during the video. Like, I was just thinking about a whole lot of stuff about the video to make it a good video for you guys. Since this is a new video, I feel like there were some things I could have said to bring you guys up to speed on what it is that I'm doing. But I'm a beginner, so I'm just documenting to see how I will feel after 7 days and just recording the process. But that was kind of what I was thinking about. And then towards that, I was very happy in the beginning. Today was a good day for me. So a lot of people always say, meditate when you're stressed and stuff like that. And I've been battling depression for the longest, but lately I've been fairly happy, right? So for the last couple of days, which is very new for me, this last couple of years, very new. So, so I just was focusing. I was happy at first, and then towards the end of the meditation, I started to think about stuff. My mind started wandering and started thinking about other things, like my divorce and stuff like that, and it made me sad. So now I'm a little bit more sad than I was in the beginning, but I'm still in a fairly good state of mind right now. So if you want to know how I feel after doing it, I feel good. It was very therapeutic. I felt my mind going into a deeper state, but my mind just didn't let me go there because I was just wondering. I think eventually I anticipate me being able to completely shut everything off and focus on my breathing and stuff like that. And I think eventually that's going to take me to another state. So that's what I anticipate. So hopefully you guys like that video. We're going to do day 2. And day 2 tomorrow, hopefully. Not hopefully. I'm going to do day 2. And we're going to upload it from there. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you meditate with me now. Make sure you meditate with me tomorrow. This is the first video. Make sure you meditate with me tomorrow so I won't look crazy. Alright? Thank you.